Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here with another video which is about Remint network update, about Remint network KYC and the market of Remint network RMT token price and also the price prediction too, and how you can withdraw your token. Let's get started, not by wasting our time. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed our channel and also joined our Telegram channel where you will get daily updates about airdrops and minings. Well, let's start with the Remint network market. As you know that Remint was launched some times ago and the airdrop and miners are not profited till now, but they have told that after January 31st we will be able to withdraw our Remint token. But how we can withdraw, I'll show you in the video. Make sure you watch till the end of the video. And current price on USD is 0.0009 and market cap is 1 million around. It's somehow it's good also. It was launched on Solana chain, as you know that very well, and Remint network is for the real estate business. Let's see, on upcoming time we might see the price going up. And same like Remint network, we have 5 best Bitcoin mining apps for Android and iOS. The link is in description. Go and watch full video, and the guide is there, step-by-step guide with review is there. Now let's come back to our Remint network app. Well, if you haven't completed the KYC yet, then you need to complete the KYC before you start to withdraw. You need to complete your KYC. To complete the KYC, go here and you need to first you have to complete this ICO questionnaire. You can search on Google and you can do it very easy. And second is go and verify your email. It's very easy. And KYC, when you verify the email, then you need to upload your identification card, as they have included here passport, ID cards, driving license, whatever you have with, you can upload the documents. And on utility bill, you just upload. You can upload the bank statement also, it is also accepted. One of my referral has done with, if you have the utility bill that you have paid, then you can upload that photo. If not, then you can give the bank statement also. You can upload file from here and submit. It's very easy. The KYC process is very easy. And when it comes to the withdrawal of Remint network, we have mined a lot of Remint token on this app, and when it comes on the withdrawal, this is the wallet section here. I have collected this much amount and I need to put the wallet address here and amount to send, how much amount I want to send on the wallet. We will be eligible only after we finish the KYC. And also another thing, this can be withdrawal in Phantom wallet, which is Solana blockchain's native wallet. That's why you need to have a Phantom wallet, and also add me on Phantom wallet. If you don't have the Phantom wallet, you can download it from the Play Store and set up the wallet. Remember always to keep your passphrase very secret. If it's possible, write it down on your notebook and keep somewhere safe, not on mobile's notebook app. Okay, I'm saying that the paperwork. And you can find me, you can add me on Phantom wallet. This is my Phantom wallet name, you'll see there, and you can follow me on this with this username. And let's talk about the price prediction of Remint network, how much it can go when they allow us to withdraw. Obviously we will sell, that's very sure, and we will try to book the profit, that's very sure, and that's very obvious. And they are ready with liquidity. Currently it has around 1 million of market cap. That means 0.0001, it will be 0.0001 if it has a 1 million of market cap here. And if it's true real world asset token, then as they have mentioned and they talked about, they are for real estate business. And you know that real estate business are how much higher in among all the businesses. Real estate has acquired higher space among the all businesses. So if they already had tie up with bigger real estate business, then the market cap, 100 million of market cap isn't so far. When it comes to 100 million, let's see, while on 1 million 0.01 and 10 million 0.01 and 100 million 0.1, 1 billion will be $1. And in this space, having millions of market cap isn't a big deal. But if they are truly a real estate business, if they are the real world assets and they have tie up with real estate business, then many people will come to join Remint network, they will buy their RMT token, because real estate business is very big. So this much is for now. Very soon I am expecting the price of Remint token is 0.01 to $1 phantom wallet to download, and I will be mentioning the link in description. The Telegram link will be in Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel link in description. Go there and check it out. This much is for now. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it.